A pretty decent-looking shot for this time of the year outside. There are a few clouds, but all in all, it's been a good-looking day. Remember, we picked up 1.2 inches of snow in Central Park early this morning, about a ½ inch for Bridgeport. Biggest number I could find. Orient picked up 3 inches on the nose. Also, out around Mountain Creek, he picked up about 3 inches. A few clouds overhead right now, 27 degrees. High temp was 32, way off the mark of the average being 43. The records of 67 in 2015 and 12 in 1976 didn't touch those. We were as low as 24. What's going to be really cold out there tonight? It's colder than 24, I think down to about 19. Coldest one we've had so far this season. Only good thing is less wind, so the wind chill's not going to be as bad. Late snow showers by the time you get into the second half of Friday. I don't think it's a big accumulator, but we'll show you that in just a moment. And then you get to next week. I think by Tuesday, 50 degrees returns to our area. So you're waking up to that 19-degree mark in the city. Cold for everybody out there, 6 in Monticello. Winds, yeah, there's a wind chill, but not a dramatic one. So 19 feels like 16. It feels like 19 for Caldwell, 14 for Poughkeepsie, feels like 15 for Danbury. About 19 is what it feels like in Hempstead. And it's all because the winds just are not blowing as strong. So you're going from a 19 to a 16, a 3-degree drop, because the winds are between 5 and 10 miles per hour, as opposed to the other morning when they were between 30 and 40 miles per hour. So that's a good thing there. What about what's fallen overhead? Well, we don't see anything out there right now. Now, I think later tomorrow you could see a little bit of activity because we have this big dip in the jet stream, fills in with that cold Canadian air, and these little bouts of energy. See them there? Could put a few little light snow shower chances in our area. Not so much for tonight. By Friday, you'll see more clouds. Here you are, Friday, 5 o'clock with a few snow showers out there. They then push out of here, and you don't pick up too much. One model, the GFS, which is kind of in line with the European, is saying anywhere from a few tenths to possibly an inch for Belmar, 1.5, the biggest number on the map in Toms River. And if you take a look at what the RPM is saying, same general flow with the bigger numbers being south of the city, maybe well off to the east, but you're looking at 0.5 for Toms River, 0.6 for Islip, and for Montauk. New York City on this model comes in at a 0. So I would say, look, you're looking at maybe a coating for some folks to maybe an 1.5 inches for others. A pretty small spread there. And across the board, numbers are looking like this. High temp tomorrow, not finding the freezing mark, 31. You're 38 on Saturday. You're 40 on Sunday. You know, Sunday night's got a late chance for a few, sort of snow showers or wintry mixes out there. 47 Monday, you're warming up. And Tuesday, another chance for precipitation. But at 50 degrees on Tuesday, that would be a rain shower.
Certainly sounds like it. If the weeks were only, right?
A little...
Yes.
Yeah, or this time of year we expect to go up and down. But
this is true.
It's not even winter yet officially.
I know that. Have a nice time, Dad.
Oh,
I know you'll be so proud this evening.
Here we go.